it. You're so smart. You are a smarty pig. Oh. Did you eat that? Here you go. Hi. Oh.
Yeah.
You okay? Did it go in your nose? You all right? You okay?
She might need a tissue. Want to get her one?
Oh my gosh! That was a noodle.
Fringe, oh, don't eat it again. Fringe is
Give me a
sneezing.
tissue.